All right, everybody, I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. I'm BJ from the 478, and man, do I got a treat for you today, because my Vossen Forge wheels for my 22 Jailbreak Redeye Charger Hellcat just came in today. And man, is that a mouthful? There's so many add-ons to that daggum charger. But yes, this is for my Redeye, and I am very excited, and I want to share that with you, because I usually do Forgiatos, and Forgiatos were my main go-to wheel, but the weight of the Forgiatos, and then it's just not like, it's, to me right now, it's nothing against Forgiato, but they're not exotic enough. I need a wheel and a company that just stands out and stands on top of their product, and it's well made. And I wanted something lighter. I wanted something different. Picking a wheel for your car is one of the hardest things out there. Reason being, you can accidentally get a nice wheel, but it doesn't fit that sports car, and I didn't want to go into that. So like I said, picking out wheels is like picking out your shoes to go with your outfit. You have to be jam up. You're not gonna wear, dress shoes with your actual gym shorts and get away with it. Somebody's gonna call you out. Same way with these wheels. So when you see these, let's unbox these. Now, I did have to open them for the simple fact that I had to make sure all my pieces was in there, and then make sure it was no shipping damage and all that good stuff. But I just want to show you how they were packed, and let me show you exactly what's inside these boxes. All right. So that's neat. They actually come with these stockings on here, but well packaged. All this stuff had foam in it, and you get these cardboard braces, these pieces here, and dude, it was well packaged. Ain't she purty? These are some actual beautiful wheels. Detail. So you get Vossen right here, then you get Forge. I'm loving the black rivets. I don't even think I asked for that, but I thought the whole wheel, this is what you call transparent. So this is a brushed, but it's actually clear, and they actually call that transparent. And then this is a brush lip, so it's not, this is not chrome. It's not heavy like chrome. Chrome is a little bit heavier, but this lip right here, weight saving, is the step up lip, which you hardly ever see just on regular wheels, and it makes it stand out. So I have one outside the box already, and let me show you exactly what this looks like. This right here is the front wheel, and this right here is the back wheel. And when I say that thing is sexy, not as sexy as my wife, but man, it's daggum close, I tell you that. So man, the attention to detail is none other but pure gorgeousness. I love the way the black rivets contrast. And so the back side of the barrel is actually a satin black, which absolutely complements this wheel, because if you think about it, these Hellcats, and these with the 6-piston brake caliber, the Brembo brakes, they create a ton of dust, and dust will be everywhere, and that just right there saves me from having to get back there and clean that, because I'm telling you, you know what I'm saying. Anytime you got a brush back back side of those Forgiato wheels, man, I used to have to get in there with a rag and just wash that, because it would look like utter trash after driving it a couple times, because all that brake dust back there. This is right here is going to save me the look. I know the dust is going to be there, but it's not going to show up as bad as if it was just brushed like the front side. So let me get my light right here. bad. So I want to show you a little bit this backside here. So this is the S21. It gives you the serial number. It tells you this is the rear wheel, and it's a 24 by 11. This right here, you know, it gives you the bolt pattern and everything. It doesn't matter what side it has to go on. It's just whatever side I decide to mount my directional tires up on. That will be, you know what I'm saying, the kicker on which side that wheel will actually go on. But it can go on either side. Let's talk about the hardware that comes with these wheels. Now, this is what you call a transparent cap, and it's made of billet aluminum. And I'm telling you, then again, the attention to detail is none other. I'm satisfied. I mean, that little bit of red made it pop big time. Man, I'm getting my wheels, I'm getting my tires put on tomorrow, man. We're gonna box these back up. We're gonna turn around and do another video. We're gonna make that, you know what I'm saying, something else. But I just wanted you to get you an idea of what I got going on. And like I said, this is going on, and they're brushed, and they call that a transparent gloss, with a clear transparent gloss for my 22 Jailbreak Hellcat Charger. Vossen Forge. If you don't, you know, a lot of people know about this company, but the Forge line is their elite. When I say elite, that is their go-to wheel for their Porsches, Lamborghinis, Audis, top of the line, all the way. This wheel right here is just utterly gorgeous. And you see the way that step up look. And like I said, man, people, I'm not trying to be better than other people. I just want what I want for my car. I work real hard for what we do for a living, and I just want the best. So this brand right here is one of the better companies out there on the market. And the good thing about it is this is a 24 by 11, and we're going to do a weight comparison, because that wheel right there might weigh about what my factory wheel weighs. So the reason why, like I said, the Forge Autos in a 24, man, they were a little on the heavy side. These right here are just ultra lightweight. Ultra lightweight, and they absolutely are on the money. So let's do this right here. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please like and subscribe. You got to stay tuned. Hopefully I'll get these tires mounted up tomorrow, and then I'll shoot another video the day after. So if you stay tuned, I'll have more content on a car that's going to be SEMA bound in the later 2024 on the next SEMA. So we're going to get a ticket. We got a lot of carbon fiber pieces going on that car. We got tons of just upgrades going on it. Including the snorkel, including we're doing some upgrades to the computer, the ECU. We're going to do some upgrades to the supercharger and the exhaust. But like I said, I got tons of carbon fiber going on it, and the car only has 1,800 miles on it, and I've had it for about a year in a couple months. So you got to stay tuned. I'm BJ from the 478. All my proceeds to my channel goes to people in my community to help them out. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thank you.